Guys, it's me, Logan Martin, on Chirp 33, and we're about to get this started, boys. Let's get it going. Here we go. Ready? Go. So, how was y'all's day? Comment down in the section below. If someone mess with you, just dab on them haters. That's what I do. Just gotta dab on them and just say I don't care, cause just break that confidence barrier, and just do what you want. Like that teacher, if that one teacher's getting on your nerves, just say y'all ain't gonna ruin my day, cause I'm number one. I'm Superman, and y'all ain't gonna defeat me. It's just think of that. Think of like some Creed movie. I got royalty, got like that, something like that. Just do something simple. And speaking of which, Pac-Man was actually created because of was inspired by like a half a pizza or whatever. I don't know where I read that, but read that somewhere. And yeah, and think about it right now. It says it was published in May 22, 1980. And thinking about it now, my mom's birthday is in May, and it was 1980, so she's what? That's some hard math. 38 years old, whatever. But why am I telling my mom's age? Too much business. Uh, and yeah. And have you seen that one movie? What was it called? Was that one with that Adam Sandler guy in it, or whatever? Making that, oh, did I just finish the level? There we go. Let's give me a round of applause. Okay. Yeah. So, as I'm thinking about it right now, YouTube is I love YouTube, and I'm just right now, I'm trying to break the confidence barrier, as I said. Them people who's just hating, you just gotta deal with them haters, just dab on them, like I said. Just say, I don't care about y'all, y'all ain't gonna ruin my day, cause I'm number one, and y'all number two. And if y'all number one, but y'all the first loser, what y'all are. So yeah. And sorry if my sound quality's bad. I'm going on my laptop right now, using this thing. I would highly recommend. I don't know. The webcam's bad, so I'm not using it with that. And I like looking at my game, but whatever. Cause I just lost. Dang. Well, let's go over to another game. Let's see what coolest game. Actually, let's look up the ugliest. What person? Ew. That's mean. Ugliest woman. Dang, pretty mean. Ugliest. Uh, ugliest dog. I love dogs. Ugliest dog versus cutest dog. Cutest dog. Uh, ew. Is that like a tongue? World's ugliest dog. Some of them have conditions. Like I was reading about this one looking. There should be like a zombie looking one down here. Dang, was it crazy? Oh, it's a dachshund. Oh, that's AKA wiener dog. But oh, I love huskies, Siberian huskies. Ugliest dog. Hmm. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. Here we go. Where is it at? Look at this. Sam, the ugliest dog. Look at it. Look at it. Nightmares. I still see shadows in my room. Can't take back the love. And then you got that one right here. And that one. Ew. Oh, I feel bad for some of you. Nah, that one I don't feel bad for. I love boy. Ew. Look at that thing. Is that like a dog shot? Whatever. And then the cutest dog. Aww. I do not like them dog breeds. I don't know why. Too fluffy. Oh, I love them dogs. That dog reminds me of this one girl that I used to go to school with. What else is there? Ooh, I don't know. Pugs. Cutest. For me, I like bulldogs. heard something about like they get cancer or something easily. Oh, is that one even real? That ain't real, is it? It's a friend. Got this one girl. Oh, he's like, don't touch me. He's like, you mess with me too much. You taking away my water. And then this one's like, get up, Dad. Don't wanna play. He's like, he's like, coming on the. It's like Sunday morning, 12 hours later. It's 3 o'clock. Wake up! It's Christmas. It's Christmas. Wake up! I'm coming to you. Let's go to Siberian Huskies. Cutest Huskies are my favorite dogs too. Like, I don't know why, but I call them like a salt dog. I don't know. I don't like this. They're babies. To me, like the bigger ones are cuter, but whatever. Depends. Yeah, that was cute. Look at that. Look at that Siberian Husky. The blue ones make them. This is my Friday dance. If you already know me, like, I love memes, so let's go to the memes. Memes 2019. I don't know, these might be inappropriate. Already seen bad memories of 2018. Celebrate Happy New Year's with joy. Reaction that you do when it's December 31st and someone says, see you next year. What is this one? When your new meme format fails because Spooktuber is here. Oh no, Gibby didn't like that. So sad. Alexa, add Grindex. Now let's go to funniest memes. That will cure the cure your depression. That brush people like that. Run, cured. Not sure if tired or just depressed. Am finally cured of depression and become fully capable of appreciating my girlfriend's love. Get dumped 4 weeks later. There's a new drug for. That's me. Too much politics. What's that? Is that like a horse? No. Did I just snort? Dang! Well, that's it for today. Bye from YouTube. Can't touch his Can't touch his.